Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Adam Snyder and I am the Homemade Entrepreneur. In today's video, what I'm going to do is I want to show you how to make quick money in one day online. This exact strategy can easily make you over $500 every single day, and you can do this from inside your own city. Now, this method that I'm going to show you, I know it works for the United States and Canada. Outside of those two regions, I have no idea because I've never done it. What I can tell you is, first thing is that this works. You can easily make over $500 every single day. The second thing that I want to explain, and I'm going to show you how to do all this inside the computer in just a second, is that with a little bit of work, this could make you a full-time income in just a short amount of time. Now, if you're looking for a way to make money online that doesn't require a lot of work, but you can get paid a substantial amount of money very quickly, then this is it. Now, what I'm going to show you in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this for absolutely nothing. Okay, it's absolutely free to do what I'm going to show you in today's video. The second thing is, it will require you to either drive to some local businesses or take a bus or walk or whatever you have to do to get to these different places, because these are the local businesses that are actually going to help you make some money. Now, if you don't have a car, you don't want to drive, you don't want to work with local businesses, I completely understand. What I'm going to show you in today's video is actually not going to help you out, because this is going to require you working for other businesses. But if you want to learn another way to make money online, I recommend you go and watch that video right there, where I show you how to make over $100 in just 2 hours by pasting links. So if you're ready, let's hop in the computer and I'm going to show you right now how you can make over $500 every single day just by working with local companies. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We need to use Google. And here's the cool part about Google is we can do this with any city, anywhere in the United States or Canada. Let me show you this, okay? Lawn Care Seattle. This is something that I've done multiple times, so I obviously know how to do it. But I type in some type of business and then a city name. So you want it to be the city that you actually live in or somewhere right around you, because this, again, it's going to be a quick way to make some money. Okay? So the next thing you want to do is you want to come down here and go see all the Google businesses and click on more businesses. Okay? Now, here's what you want to look for. You want to look for businesses that have a low star rating or that have little to no reviews on their company. Okay, so look at this. Let's say I come down here and Clean Air Lawn Care Seattle has 3 reviews and they're a 3.7 star. Let's click on this. Now we can come over here and we can actually see, okay, what people have said. Never pays overtime, still owed me money. He said, I don't pay that well, it's Washington state law. Okay, great. This has nothing to do with their business. What I would do is I would reach out to Clean Air Lawn Care, okay, and again, just right over the phone and be like, hey, you know, my name is such and such. I don't know if you've seen this. However, there's a guy named Richard Alvarado, and he wrote a review on your Google business page, and it's talking about how you don't pay overtime. And he pretty much said that you still owe him like 125 bucks. Okay? Paid 100 out of 225. So you owe him 125 bucks. I recommend, one of the things I do is I show people, local business owners, how to, use Google Business to get more views, get more traffic, and get more business from their community. And I just want to point this out. This right here is kind of hurting you. I'd recommend you either talk to Google, see about getting that pulled off, because it has nothing to do with your business. That's an ex-employee, and I'd recommend you pay that employee as well to go away and get rid of that review. Okay? And so that right there is just kind of a good faith offer. Now you're probably wondering, well, okay, that's great, but how do I get paid? Right? That's what you wonder. The way you get paid is you go around, and you can do this with your phone. Okay? You go around, take your phone, and you go around to, and again, everybody has a smartphone, or it seems like these days. So what you do, you go around to the different clients that these people work with, and all you got to do is ask the owner, hey, this is what I do. I go and try to get more reviews for your business. And by getting more reviews, what happens is you usually rank a little bit higher in the Google searches for those specific keywords like lawn care Seattle. And all I'm asking is I will go around to 4 or 5 different people that you have as clients, and I will get them to write a review for your business on Google. And by them writing that review, I'll kind of help them out, kind of explain to them what we're looking for, and hopefully they'll give us a 5-star review. And again, $100, and I'll get 4 to 5, different reviews for your business today. Now I know you're thinking, oh, that's going to take a lot of time. 4 or 5 reviews. I got to track down all these people. Got to call them, do all this stuff. What usually happens? Okay, so especially with a lawn care company or a construction company or whatever, what usually happens is, especially for a construction company, is they're going to that house, whatever, that job site, and usually there's somebody already there. Okay, the owner of the house is there to let them in, give them their final paycheck, whatever, look over their project. And so because of that, kind of same thing with lawn care, a lot of times there's usually going to be a homeowner there, sometimes to pay them or whatever. And so if that's the case, go there when the owner or the manager, whoever, is going to collect that payment, or just go talk to the homeowner and get them to write a review. Okay, and a lot of times you can be like, hey, if you write a review, I'm gonna give you 10% off your next purchase through our company. Very simple, right? Now the cool part about doing this is that if you find a company that gets a lot of work, okay, they could, and let's say you say, okay, I'm gonna go and it's $100 for 5 different people, and I'm gonna go and get the review. Some people are gonna be like, no, I don't want to give a review, and then obviously that's my time. You don't gotta worry about it. But all you do, okay, go and call these different companies, every single one. Okay, Lawn Starter, Lawn Care Service, Healthy Lawns Inc. Okay, they got 5-star, only 2 ratings, 2 reviews. Let's see, this one has 36 reviews and 4.6 star. This is going to be a harder one to really get because they already have 36 reviews and a decent rating. Something like this, 14 reviews, 3-star. I could come here and be like, hey, Ken's Yard Service, I see that you're struggling to get really good ratings. Some people, I had to hit the stars above to be able to comment. I hit 3 because it was in the middle. I'm desperate to find a good, reliable service, and because I am suddenly alone, I need to be able to communicate with these people when they're at my house. Makes sense, right? Okay. Claims they don't service my area, and that they don't know anyone that does. The website's okay, so that one right there. If they haven't actually even been a customer, then they can't really write a review. Okay, so right there, they can go and get this one pulled. This 1-star review, get it pulled, and that's going to boost their rating a little bit higher. So all this stuff, you can go out, talk to these companies, and figure out ways to get them more reviews and more 5-star reviews. Now, Google is going to look at these and be like, okay, was this actually a customer? Is this somebody just going and creating new Google accounts and now they're over there, writing reviews? Sometimes that's what people do. And Google is getting smarter, and they know that. And so you can't just go and create all these fake reviews. But what you can do is you can go to these different customers, to these different people that actually have established Google accounts, Gmail accounts, and go and talk to them and say, hey, I see that we've been servicing your lawn for the last 6 months. Hopefully you really enjoyed the work that we've been doing. Want to give you 10% off your next purchase with us. All you gotta do, pull out your phone and write a good review. I'll even help you come up with a good review, so you don't have to really rack your brain trying to come up with anything fancy or anything cool to say. Right? Simple enough. And you charge not the client, not that that's doing all the work for this local business. You charge the local business. Now, you can charge before, but what most local businesses do is they will pay you after. And so you just drive around to these places that these local businesses say, okay, this is somebody that we do work for, this is somebody, this is somebody. You go and do this, and you go to all these different places, you get like 5 people and 5 reviews, then you go back to the company and be like, hey, look at this, got your 5 reviews, you know, even show them proof or whatever, and they pay you $100 right there. $20 a review. Now, lawn care is pretty much the one that I like to use. Okay, so I just typed in lawn care Seattle. I can also do lawn care Tacoma. Okay, just anything around my area. Lawn care Bellingham. Okay, that's not really in my area. Lawn care Kent. Okay, Kent, Washington. You know, I could do that. Lawn care is one of the things I like to do. Another one I like to do, concrete cutter Seattle. Okay, concrete cutters, that's easy one. Okay, a lot of these people have no reviews or very limited reviews. Okay, so that's an easy one. Another one you can do is irrigation Seattle. Okay, pools are really good. Pool cleaner Seattle, something like that. Okay, you got all these pool service. Okay, simple one that's coming up. You know, hot tubs, you know, hot tub repairs. The list goes on and on. Just find something. You don't even have to know much about the business. Okay, but what you need to know how to do is talk to an actual customer. Talk to the business owners and say, hey, this is what I can do. This is what, you know, if you have no past experience, don't mention past experience, but say this is what I do. I go out and get reviews for local companies. These reviews help them rank a little bit higher in the Google searches. So if I go to Google, pool cleaner Seattle, just like that, this is what pops up. Okay, and down here you only got the top 3. So if you're outside those top 3, you're not gonna get as many views. You're not gonna get as many people clicking on your page to actually go and call you or anything like that. Nobody's gonna do it. Okay, and so that's just the simple thing. Now, next thing you could do, which you can charge even more money for, is go and claim the different businesses. Help the business owner claim the business, but then go and, you know, adjust their hours, add in their phone number, add pictures, do all that stuff. Make the listing just look nice, professional. Okay, very clean. Has a lot of options. People can see exactly what they do, who's coming to my door, all that stuff, and it really works. So that's just one of the ways you can make some quick money online and easily make over $500 in a single day. So let me give you some tips on being more successful using this exact strategy. Tip number 1, in order to make over $500 per day, is to charge a decent amount. I'm not saying go out there and charge somebody $5 to go and get a review. It's just not worth it. Even $20 is still on the smaller side because you got to go drive around to these different houses, to these different, you know, customers and get them to do a review. But again, you can easily get 2 or 3 reviews in just 1 hour's worth of work, 1 hour's worth of driving. Okay, it doesn't take that long. So $100 for 5 reviews is a very decent price. And this is something that I can tell you right now, a lot of these business owners are going to jump on this offer. And they do this because they understand after you explain it that they will get more reviews, or by getting more reviews, they're going to get more customers seeing their listing, and they'll potentially get more people to call them and use them as their service provider. The second tip that I have for you guys when it comes to doing this exact same strategy is don't give up. You're going to call probably 30, 50 different businesses, and out of those 50 different businesses, a bunch of those businesses are going to say no, not interested. They're not even going to hear your pitch. But what you need to do is perfect it. Instead of being like, hey, this is what I do, this is what I offer, it only costs this much money, when you're on the phone, don't even do that. Just ask them, you know, hey, let them know, hey, I saw your listing on Google, and I'm not looking for a lawn care professional at this moment. However, you know, I do offer a service to lawn care professionals where I help them get more reviews on Google, and I just wanted to let you know, you have a good listing, you have a great business going on, but you should be able to get more customers, and I can help you do that by doing this, 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 and this. And hopefully they'll be listening long enough that you can mention exactly what you do and how you can help them out. So again, that's it. That's all you have to do to make quick money online and easily make over $500 in a single day. So if you have any questions on exactly how to do this, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.